on campaign trail with the BJP president here in Karnataka, Mr. B.Y. Vichendra, in Gulbarga, a very hot day and a hotter campaign. So this case of Prajwal Revanna. Did BJP not know that such videos were in circulation in Hassan for almost a year because he took an injunction? And also Devraj Gowda, who's a BJP leader, has said that he's written to you, the party president, and Mr. B.L. Santosh.
Let me make it clear. As far as BJP is concerned and our national leadership is concerned, nobody can support this incident.
Yeah.
Let me put it straight. Secondly, even I was reading the newspaper that Devraj has written a letter to Vichendra, party president. I'm not aware of this.
Okay.
I'm not aware of this. Unnecessarily, I don't know why he has claimed that I have not received any such letters. I don't think even national leadership was aware of these developments. So it's very unfair and it's not correct to say that our high command was aware of this, state leadership was aware of this incident. If we were aware, then where is the question of allowing him to contest elections?
Right. But he is an NDA candidate now. Will you ask him to come back to India? Because optics-wise, there are 2,900 odd videos, and he's escaped the country. He's absconding currently. Will you put pressure on JDS to bring him back at least while the SIT probe is on?
JDS leadership has already initiated this process. In fact, they're expelling Prajwal Revanna from the party, and he's bound to come back because he has to. He has to face a situation. He has to answer so many questions that has been raised. He has to face the investigation. He can't just run away like this. I'm sure he will come back and he has to face the investigation team.
This election season, your right to choose puts you at the heart of it again.
We'd like to be your eyes and ears.
Choose the journalism and media that serves democracy and you.
Simply log on to newslaundry.com/2024 election fund and choose an amount of your choice for the reports of your choice.